Are you 50 and over and have problems with those nasolabial folds and smile lines, marionette lines if you like? Well, in today's video, we're going to do a great ligament lift to really help the cheekbone area and the lower part of the mid-face. So by doing really great bone density lift, and also we're going to promote collagen and elastin within the skin, and then finishing off with all important lymphatic drainage so we can release toxins and waste around the mid part of the facial area. I'm Ali and I'm really here to help you on your skincare journey. So first things first, you want to start off obviously with clean skin, and I am as always using a facial oil, particularly if you're older and you tend to lose collagen and elastin, so you really don't want to be dragging or pulling at the skin. You want it to be nice and light. So I'm just applying a little bit of facial oil. You can use a face cream if you like, but I tend to find a facial oil, again, you just get a better slip and glide. And if you can get something which is really good quality ingredients, such as organic, even better, because whatever we apply to our skin is going to penetrate in even better and deeper. So just around the mid part of the face and the cheekbones, side of the ears, and then just down by the SCM muscle down to the collarbone. So the first thing we're going to do is where the collarbone is, we've just got some indentations, and we're just going to give those a few gentle pumps just to get the lymphatics going, almost the gateway, if you like, to the neck and the head area. Really important. So now with our knuckles, and if you like, you can place a little bit more oil on the knuckles if you don't have enough onto your lower part of the face here. We're taking our knuckles and we're coming to where the cheekbone area is here, coming down just under the cheekbone, and then just gently coming to the top, well, underneath with the knuckles. Now, if you can, you just want to place your head, the heaviness of the head into those knuckles. This is a really good lift. What we're doing is we're really anchoring here. Just want to hold it for a few moments. And then come across slightly further along as well. And again, placing the knuckles under the cheekbone area and then just taking the head nice and heavy under that cheekbone. This will also help with any stuck fascia as well. And coming up, and we're going to do this 3 times. So we've done 1 set. Let's do this again. So with our knuckles, I just want to say you don't want to be pulling down by the eyes too much either, because you don't want to be stretching this area. So if you can come to your cheekbone, come under the cheekbone, then lift up, and then put your head into your knuckles. If you like, you may find it easier if you're near a table. You can prop your elbows on the table if it's any easier, and then place your head down. Feel the heaviness. And then come along again to the bit further along the cheekbone area. And then again, just calming down. I like to do these 2 or 3 times a week. And then let's just do the last set for this. Coming up, long, under the cheekbone. Just calming down and just place your head into your knuckles. And then just coming along again, a bit further along. And really hold that in place, heaviness of making sure the face is nice and relaxed and the head is into those knuckles there. And gently lift up, and then with the fingers just lifting up and across. Massaging everything out, and then just do a little bit of gentle tapping the lower part of the face to just get some blood flow and oxygen to the area. If you like, take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth, again to help with oxygen as well to the neck and the head. Right, so once we've done that, let's now work on again, the zygomatic bone here, but we're going to be coming above the bone and under the bone, and we're going to do what I call crisscrossing. So we're really, again, going to be helping with any tightness, stuck fascia, if you like, which is a bit like a spider's web, if you like, a connective tissue, lots of different directions. And when this gets tight, this can draw everything down, and that can actually pull everything down as well. So you want to release it and lift everything up. So we're taking our fingers into like a crisscross shape. And we're going to start from the cheekbone area here. We'll start from the top and then we'll work down afterwards. I like to go slightly light under the cheek, above the cheekbone, because you're quite close to the eye. But under the cheekbone, you can go a bit deeper. And you want to go in lots of different directions, all along the bone, and just working our way along. Making sure the shoulders are nice and relaxed, and that also, again, that your face is nice and relaxed. And because we've placed some facial oil onto our face here, we're not stretching or dragging at the skin, and that's why it's so important to have a facial oil. Again, working all along that bone. And then let's work on the other side here. Again, fingers into crisscross. You can actually use the various fingers, whatever's easiest for you. Then working along the bone here. You can go a little bit deeper under the bone, but not so much on the top because of the eyes. Just really crisscrossing, lots of different directions. And again. And then just come up and just very gently massage it out. Very light, feather-light touch. And then with the fingers here, we're now making a scissor-like shape, taking a hand as an anchor, particularly as we have older skin and we don't want to be dragging or pulling. And we're just very gently gliding along above and under the cheekbone area here. What we're doing here is removing toxins and waste within the lymph as well. And on the other side, hand as an anchor, fingers into a V shape, and just gently glide along. Again, feather-light touch. And then with the fingers lifting up and across. Again, feather-light touch, moving toxins and waste. Moving everything in a slightly upwards and outwards motion. Again, we want to keep sort of the apples of the cheeks here, so we don't want to be overdoing. Again, lifting everything up rather than dragging anything down. And then with the fingers, one hand at a time, gliding at the front of the ear where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and then behind the ear. And then on the other side, front of the ear and behind the ear. And then with the flat of the hand again, just down the big SCM muscle, down to the collarbone. And on the other side. Now, if you'd like to join my community, please check out my description box down below, and I also check out my email list again in the description box down below if you're interested, for like-minded natural skincare, if you like. And then from the chin all the way down, just above our collarbone, literally our beginning position and now our finishing position. You just want to give those a few gentle presses so this can release all the toxins and waste we've moved within the lower part of the face and the mid-face cheekbone area, zygomatic bone, into the body, ready for elimination. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and comment down below. Tell me how you found this, and if there's any other facial massages you'd love me to share with you. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.